Today I'm going to show you how to make simple easy pork hock recipe on stove top. So this is the pork hock I'm going to use. Let's make a simple rub for this. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder or to your taste. Adjust the chili always to your taste, and 1 tablespoon Montreal stick spice, and 1 teaspoon rosemary, dried rosemary. Give a little mix here, you don't have to. And 2 tablespoons soy sauce. I am adding 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons cooking wine, and half a teaspoon salt. Don't add too much salt always we can adjust later. Give a good mix here, and make sure to make few slits around the pork hock to prevent curling while cooking. And then brush the rub only this one side only. We are going to brush this rub now. Take a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Keep the heat at medium heat. Place the hock pieces rubbed side down. Can you see how I am putting this now? The rub side goes down. Like this. Okay, now immediately apply the rub on the other side. This way all these rubs stick to the meat and nicely. The taste is so good, rather we put on a plate and then everything stick to the plate, half of that. So this is each side you have to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. You can see we have all the rub is stick to the meat here. This is after frying for 5 minutes. Each side I fried for 5 minutes. And then in a cup, let's add 2 cups of water and 1/3 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. You can add here any sauce to your taste, any barbecue sauce, and give a good mix. And now we'll pour this mixture into that pork, and then cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn. Cook for another 10 minutes. Cover and cook this side also another 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, each side cooking for 10 minutes, I check for salt, and I'm adding little more salt here, and also 50 ml honey. Now let's cover and cook again until the gravy is thickened. So it will take few more minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. It will thick very quick. So as it thickens, then you can start plating and eat. I'm so sorry, at the thickening stage I have not taken any video. I have straight gone to plating. So there will be some excess oil. Discard that excess oil. And this is so delicious, very easy. Give it a try. Let me know your feedback. Till I see you with my next video, take care and stay safe. Bye bye to everybody. I like to hear from you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel too.